Itina wa ndongoi ya Azimio Raila Odinga kutangasa Martha Karua tawe munini wake wa Musumbi. Itambia hii ioneka kwithiwa yende kumongelela nguma Raila Kwianana na Ukunikili wa ikundi ya Tifa. Raila kwa oyu utongoetye masembani mausumbi na kilungu cha 39 iulu yana bewa William Ruto wa Kenya Kwanza na kilungu cha 35 iulu yana na Kalonzo Musyoka na kilungu cha ile iulu yana. Tifa yewe itambia ya Kalonzo kuiweta Azimio ni vatonyeka yina ukuno munene kwa uteti wa Azimio wa Kenya na ile mbetani ya Ukamba. Ukunikili wiuka kabindani ka Kalonzo Musyoka kukonanwa na kwithiwa tawio na unenania utwaisi na Raila Odinga yulua mwanya wa minister munene na ula unadhiwe ni Raila wa kwambililia chumani kivituku kana chumani kivituku anaindi Benjamin Mwaka enaingewa.
Itambia Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper President Kalonzo Musyoka kuivetanga ngwatanio ya Azimio Oka ionekana kwithiwa kwa oyuthi tena ukuna munene kwa ngwatanio ya Azimio. Ukunikili wao yumetukwa ikundi ya Tifa na ulao ndatwa iwetino utangazwa Raila Odinga kumosa kwa mwandu Martha Wangari Karua tawe munini wake undu mwena Kalonzo kutangaza kukutia kivila cha usumbi kwiwa kwambililia uwena nyakana kethu onyuvani huwe wa kutwa iwa umonde Raila Odinga ni wa utongozi na kilungu cha 39 ulwayana. Atuwe kwa vakuvi ni musindani wake wa ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza William Ruto na kilungu cha 35 ulwayana. Nake Kalonzo Musyoka uungua chama cha Wiper eungamie Oka wa katatu na kilungu cha ile ulwayana. Na onakuchweka kilungu kiki thio muno kwa utongoetye. Tifa iwetaka na Kalonzo nde sautuma vedhwa na utondekanua Musyoka wa kula.
Unless the total vote of all the other candidates for president and deputy president besides the top two are equal to at least 4 or 5%, it's very unlikely that either one of those pairs won't get above 50%, because you have to subtract all those other people of the undecided will not vote and no response before you do your arithmetic, before you divide by the total number. So on the basis of this survey, there is absolutely no basis for saying that there would be a runoff.
Kwianana na ikundi ya Tifa ni kanave na kilungu cha 14 yulua yana cha enenthi kila kitona kusoesya kula sia Ruto kana sia Raila na kuvicha kilungu cha mbe wa 51 ulua yana. Aiweta nzeve ni kwalyukana muno kumano na Raila undu mwena Ruto kuza kwa nini mo makivila cha usumbi chumani kim.
The closer to that 9% that former Vice President Musyoka got in 2007, that is, the more that he can go up from 2% now towards 9%, the greater will be the possibility of a runoff contest.
Ukunikili wengi uyonanya ona itina wa Kalonzo kudhanuka kuma Azimioni ngwatanio ya Azimio niyo ina wate munene kwa kilungu cha 48 ulwayana kauntini hitatusi Okamba ikatiiwa ni ngwatanio ya Kenya Kwanza na kilungu cha 12 ulwayana nayo Oka ila Kalonzo kuweta ya mukie imbya ina kilungu cha 8 ulwayana. Tifa yuweta mausungio maumanitwe na enembe ingile mbetane Ukamba kwithwa matu ya kwitene pala mithwa maiso ilo nyuvanini umunene ukite.
Given the fact that we've had this very open contest between William Ruto and Raila Odinga for the last couple of years, that maybe many of those people, their minds are made up. We have 17% in Lower Eastern who say they're not decided, and then 9% who either won't vote or wouldn't answer the question.
Na Kwianana na idhangu ya The Star ya umundi Kalonzo weto kwithu watu haisi onenanya wa vakuvi na nzamanene ya Azimio kutata kuisia kana no makwatiania ingi na Mutongoi wa ngwatanio mutete wa kivila cha usumbi Raila Odinga kuiwetekana Kalonzo enda mwana ulona thiwe ni Raila wa minister munene be uimwe kimiao nthino wiwano wa ngwatanio ya Azimio Oka. Kalonzo itangasa antu sunkuli tawe munini wake wa kivila cha usumbi kwiwa kwambililia nunawetikana eithwa yoso thiumo munini kusuania ingi itambia thi.
Soon after this I want to go mute for another 1 week to reflect and to think, because these are weighty matters.
ndilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumavaka undini lovi nyanita wa Benjamin Mwaka.